Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we are on paper 2, question 7. Look at the question. The question said we have a curve, okay? And then the curve is from 0 to 4, okay? And it's rotated 360 degree about the y-axis. Sometimes you will forget the equation, then you draw it out and then you understand which equation to use. So we have the xy here. So imagine you draw the curve, okay? Any curve, okay? The curve is like this, okay? And then we revolve about the y-axis, okay? So how to find out the volume evolved? Just like slices of circle, and then the area is pi r square. It means pi a square, and then the little width is a dy. Right? So the little volume is pi x squared dy, and then you do the integration from 0 to 4, and that's it. But you need x in terms of y. But now you have y in terms of x. Right? So first of all, you have to change the subject to x, okay? Starting from this equation, so first y over 4 equals log x minus 2, and then you can use this symbol to save a night, and then move the exponential side to the other side. Exponential y over 4 equals x minus 2. So what is x? So x equals exponential y over 4 plus 2. Then you have to show off your understanding of this thing. So you say volume evolve equals pi integration x squared dy before no need to substitute the thing, and then substitute all the thing, okay? 0 to 4, it is the change of y, okay? And then x copy the exponential y over 4 plus 2 all square dy, okay? See, but before you do the calculator thing, right? It takes some time for the calculator stuff. So check your answer first, okay? Yes, correct. Then calculation time. Yeah, you did a lot job. Really already ready for 4 marks. Okay. Now it's just the final one is the calculation. Do ask your calculator to help you. Pause the video, come back, and I will give you answer, share it with you to check it. Okay. Welcome back. Okay, the answer is 177. You get it? Well done. Okay, that is the answer. Okay. Remember, write as much as possible to a point that you need your calculator, and then you can stop. And use your mathematical skill, your calculator skill to find the results, okay? You did a great job, okay? See you for question 8.